In today's video, I'm going to show you how to shorten Google Drive link with Bitly. So first, I copy my Google Drive link, then copy link, then going on Bitly. So this link I will attach in my video description. You to click on here, then you are redirected to this website. This is absolutely free method. So now just paste here your link, then click on create your Bitly link. Wow, you can see it's already generated link, copy link. So here are view insight. So how many person click here and you can take on here. So if I paste on Google my this link, wow, this one. So if you want to add your own domain name like abc.com, your own website, so here are www.abc.com/file name. So you must be need update your plan. So that's it. So I recommend you for use free. So if you have found this video helpful, for make sure like subscribe this channel. So you can take care. Goodbye.